Hi, I'm Sebastiano Fileccia. I'm Assistant General Manager at the Milk Thistle in Bristol. So we're located in the city centre in Bristol. We tend to be a speakeasy prohibition era bar. It's a wonderful historical establishment and I love working here. So the product and range, it's a great one to use because of the flexibility of the brand. There are many options in the range and there aren't many other options if you want to use coffee in a drink or Amaretti in a drink in sort of a non-alcoholic sense. So the flexibility of the range and the fact that it's a quality product really draw me to the Lyre's range. The drink we've created for you guys today, it's called the Questionable Author. It's sort of like a coffee, almond and cream highball. It uses equal parts of the Lyre's dark cane, the Lyre's coffee liqueur and the Lyre's Amaretti. So we use those in equal parts and then we put it onto Collins ice in a highball, add a dash of citric acid, dash of saline and top it with cream soda, stir and serve. So I picked these three flavours today because I haven't really worked with them that often and I know the flavours inherently work when it's used in alcoholic beverages. So I thought this would be a really good opportunity, a really good chance to see how a non-alcoholic spirit stands up to its alcoholic counterparts, and I'm pretty impressed, to be fair. The menu is always progressing and always changing. We are probably able to offer nearly every single alcoholic drink on our menu with a non-alcoholic alternative. And we utilise the Lyre's range for that inherently because it's such a wide and flexible range. We're fans of giving the guest just high quality drinks, and Lyre's enables us to actually do that. We look forward to welcoming you to the Milk Thistle and enjoying a Lyre's non-alcoholic cocktail.